Okay, we picked up this little drive cam DVR unit online, and it's really nothing special. You wouldn't expect too much of something like this, but anyway, here's the issue. It is brand new. It doesn't stay charged, and what we're going to do, it has a 3.7 volt battery inside. We're just going to change it. That's all that's wrong with it. What it does is, if you turn it on, I'll demonstrate, it will come on, and then the battery in the upper left hand corner there will go from full to empty. Let me get focus here. Empty there. So this is a drive cam you attach, and you have a lens and whatnot. Anyhow, it may run a very short time on that one cell, but that's not right. Oh, see, now we've lost C and it shuts off. So it lasts about not very long. And this is where the good tools come in again. This is a Crescent brand, but you must have good tools. Anyway, it's about 7 screws. One is stripped, by the way, so the head is actually metal. There is no head, but it's in there and it pulls right out. So we have our 6 screws. There are 7, but one is see, it broke off, but it's not from us. That's the way it came. We're going to change this battery pack out quickly, and our replacement looks very similar. And we just solder that right on there. We have our iron on. I may put the kit. Now, I have not checked this battery. I'm assuming most new items, the batteries are good. You always want to use some new solder when you're attaching. I would just hold these here, and I will add some new solder. I should measure the voltage, but I will just try to charge it, and that will be fine. I'll see if it turns on here. It does turn on. We have a full battery. It's funny, the cameras are going at the camera. It did go down to 1. Now let's charge it and see what it does. Okay, it appears to be on, and if you notice charging, when you power it on, it comes on in record mode. So we are charging it here. Okay, it is recording. If it's in the red, it's recording. So let's power it down. Okay, it remains running. It's not charging. It has nothing on the battery. Oh, then it goes goodbye. Now I'll give it power. Maybe the time it went too fast for it. No. And it is recording and charging. Well, that's good. The minute power is applied, I'll let it fall. The minute power is applied, it turns on and starts recording. Okay, like I was saying, we'll leave this charged. It's off and charging.